What's up, guys? Tech Tony here, Pathfinder Digital Marketing. Now let me go over something. Ironically enough, it's easy to cheat on Google. It's easy to hire somebody and get reviews that you shouldn't be having. It's easier to keyword stuff your business name on Google. It's easy to just break the rules, and it's easy to hire someone that does like really bad SEO work, and you'll get results. By gosh, you will get some amazing results by using these tactics. But I tell you what, Google will find out, and they will take your company down from the search network. And if your company doesn't appear on Google, much less like some of the people here, like this guy right here is missing a few things. So I don't know if you guys just saw that. I had to take a phone call in the middle of this video, and it's a person. Apparently, someone wanted to buy buildings in downtown Dothan. They're looking at the map, and I'm the one that ranked for anything downtown Dothan. And it's not even my company, Pathfinder. It's a company that I work for that I help the vendors down here. Anyways, your Google My Biz listing is screwed up. Let's put it that way, you know? And Google tries its best to list you properly. And I have videos in the future I'll be making about Google My Biz and the importance of this. If you don't show up, and you don't show up properly, and you're not properly filled out, you don't exist. Your business will not grow. But even worse is if you're using bad, illegal tactics on Google My Business, man, Google will wipe you off the face of this planet, and you will never be able to show up on Google search. So, just in case you're wondering, in the description down below in the show notes, I do have a link to the guidelines for representing your business on Google. Yeah, they're extensive. I study the heck out of this. This is what my clients pay me for. So make sure they're always ranking correctly and professionally on Google search. But what I want to show you is a few things. First of all, finding those cheaters. What do I do with them? And also a little bit of market research. Who's advertising for what in your area? So, for example, my area, Dothan, Alabama, down here, is just really small. There's not a lot of people here. So I'm going to a bigger city just north of me called Birmingham. And we are running a search. So let's just say I'm a marketer hired by a plumbing company, or you're a plumber yourself. You're going to be like, what are other plumbers doing in my area? What are they advertising for? So right here, if you take a look in the search bar, you're going to just know this is Chrome that I'm using. And I just typed in Google Maps. I went to the maps on Google Chrome. And you type in title, and I believe those are semicolons, the two dots, you know what I'm saying, above each other. And then the keyword. So in this case, Intel Plumbing. And out pops everybody, here I'll move my face, everybody that is advertising on that keyword, plumbing. It even shows you up here, these two things right here, these are ads. These are site lead extensions called location extensions on Google. You have to have a Google My Business profile to build these out. And that's what these guys are here, running ads for the term plumbing. Now, let's see, that's poorly maintained, no website. I don't know how they stay in business. There's another one, no website. Who knows what they're doing? But if you scroll down here, there's one called Plumbing Experts. How much more? I bet that's not correct. So open up their tab, and I do have them open here. You see I open up right here. And they are called KS Services. They're not plumbing experts. I'm sure they're good at what they do. Let's see, are they? No, they don't even have any reviews. So let's see if their company shows up in general. Now I can see they're having some SEO problems right off the bat for a few things. First of all, their URL is called KS. Their business is called KS Services Heating and Plumbing Air Conditioning. They have a plumber's badge here. Air conditioning, heating, and plumbing. So they seriously need some strong work with SEO to teach Google there's a way to rank for, it's going to show up for, there's a way to rank for, it's going to show up for. So let's see if they show up at all. KS Heating, Air Conditioning. There they are. So there's their proper Google My Business listing. Now, is everything okay with it? Okay, it looks like it's secured. Doubt anyone's paying attention to it. They do have 304 review. So this was even worse. They have a duplicated listing that they're trying to rank for stuff. So it does look like their listing is active. It looks like someone's maintaining it. It looks like they're doing a good job. But they have another listing on Google that goes to them. That's not correct. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in here. See that? That's their website. I'm going to suggest an edit. Close or remove. Duplicate of another place. There it is. And Google, see? Google knows. Like, oh, this is a duplicate. I'm sure I know which one it is. And then submit. And then done. This is what I do. On top of that, I keep for my notes, references, and maybe I could reach out to these people and offer them my services, personally digital marketer. Google My Business, I have the intel there so I can remember what to type in. I have the keyword plumbing, business name, website, Google My Business listing address. I put their information here and what I did. Corrected duplicate listing. Now, here's the catch. If if I'm going in here and I'm changing it, if anyone's paying attention to their listing, which it looks like someone is, they might try to revoke this change or fight this change or change their name back type of situation. And so you're just back to square one again. So what happens if that's going on? You have a competitor and they're just cheating the system. Well, you can leave it alone and do nothing. Google will eventually penalize them and just remove your competitor completely from the Google My Biz world. Or, of course, in the links down below, you can file the complaint form against them type of situation. You will need a bit of information, like if you can, go to Google My Business. Go to Google Maps on Google Earth and screenshot their business, which probably shows their name on their business, screenshot their website. It takes some work to go in here. And yeah, I definitely do this for myself. I do this to help my clients out that are paying me. I do this to reach out for networking and for lead generation for my company, which has worked. And just letting them know, hey, you're at risk of damaging your business. This might be great. It might be doing this for a year, who knows how long, but eventually Google will find out, as you saw, it already knew that duplicate listing or that Google My Business listing was associated with another company. And it already told me it's them, isn't it, right? It's them. So they might just be ignoring it and just hoping for the best. Trust me, you don't want to get Google slapped. After you fill this out, you'll hit submit and Google will give you a case number. And for my notes, I put that case number here. It's called a redressal form date and the case ID. So there's another one here. Let me find it real fast. All right, so here's another one. Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Birmingham. It's Benjamin Franklin, the punctual plumber, is actually the real name of the business. So, as usual, go here, copy the Google My Business link, type in their information. All that's right there, already done for us. And then I will go in and make a change. All right. I do the business right. Suggest an edit, change name, paste. They're plumbers. All that's correct. 0706, 0706, that's all correct. Boom. And improved. And you're done. So with that helps me generate leads for my company and reach out to people later on. But also for you, it just lets you know what's going on. So let's try another search, shall we? And we're going to do HVAC. And let's see what comes up. Lots of choices. A lot of these people don't have websites. How do you survive without a website? Like, seriously. So take these guys, for example. I take a look at the Google Maps where it says it's supposed to be. And I don't see them here. Let's go to another one real fast. This one's real good. This one says they're in the Winn-Dixie parking lot. I don't see them anywhere. So it's safe to say they don't exist here in this parking lot. I can't find them anywhere else. They definitely don't exist in front of this Winn-Dixie. So check this out. So I can have all the information I could possibly find out. Yeah, sometimes I don't spend a lot of time, but researching these people don't exist in that area. Go to suggest and edit. Close or remove does not exist here. So I went back and grabbed a screenshot of the area from here from Google Maps because Google was saying it should be right here. I'm telling you it's not. Add a photo, go to my downloads, there it is, and submit. And there we go. We are done. Later on, I'm going to reach out to these businesses, offer them my services. But long story short, this is excessively important. Don't lie. And if your competitors are lying, there are steps you can take to resolve these issues and these conflicts. Other than that, you'll have a great day. Hope this is helpful, and talk to you then.